It's okay. Hello. Hi. Good morning.
Yeah, how are you, ma'am? I'm fine. Thank you for asking.
I'm also doing absolutely fine and buzzing with the positivity and energy. Thank you so much for your concern. So,
Okay,
how did you
yes.
come to know about my channel? How did you come to know about me that you have to approach me for making collaboration video?
Yeah, maybe I was watching some English conversation videos on YouTube channel. Then I found your YouTube channel. Then I sent you, and I was in that group. That's why I sent that message. If anyone is free, so drop me a message in my number. Then you send me that message.
Okay, yeah, I often send my video, whatever video I create and upload to my channel. So I often send in that group. So maybe you came to know about from that group, right?
Yes, yes. I have
Are
joined
you also
almost
a
three group.
YouTuber?
Yes, go ahead.
Are you also a YouTuber?
Yes, yes, I'm a YouTuber. I upload some English conversation videos as well as some, you can say, grammar topic videos.
And what about solo videos?
Yeah, I upload some solo videos. Earlier, I used to upload, but nowadays I'm not uploading because nowadays I'm taking some English conversation videos. That's why I upload them.
Okay. So what do you think that conversation videos are more useful for beginners and intermediate level students, or solo videos are very beneficial? And in which you
Yeah,
feel comfortable?
absolutely. Conversation videos are very beneficial compared to solo videos, and I feel also better to watching some conversation videos. I have watched many solo videos, but you can say this is better compare them.
Okay, and
Conversation
when we
videos better.
interact with someone for conversation videos, so there is one thing that is very interesting that we don't need to prepare ourselves before making any collaboration video with anyone. If we go with the casual conversation, if we are discussing any particular topic or something, so that time we need to prepare ourselves, right? But if
Yeah,
we,
yeah, if we want.
yeah, exactly. But if we are going to the casual conversation, we can, have casual conversation randomly without any preparation. So this is the
Yes.
surprising thing about it. And
Yeah,
people
it's
prefer
benefit.
to watch conversation videos only instead of watching solo videos.
Yeah, I have seen that if I upload some solo videos, so I get only few views. If I upload some conversation videos, so I get some, you can say, more views compared to solo
Yeah.
videos.
That's the reason, most of the people are running after making collaboration videos only so that they can get views and a fair bit of subscribers.
Yes, and I heard that there was Ram. He is famous on that YouTube. He has a YouTube channel. He said
Exactly.
that when I used to upload some solo videos at that time, I used to get only few less than you can say views. When I started to upload some conversation videos, then I got lots of views, more than views. He also said
Yeah,
that
within a
those
very
things.
less period of time, he gets a lot of views on his videos. On his every
Yes,
video, he gets a fair bit of views, whatever he makes, right? Yeah, I have
yes,
gone through some of his videos. Mostly he works on collaboration videos.
yes, yes. As you said
Yeah,
that
so
today you are not at home, so where are you at this time? As you said that you don't have proper internet there.
no, I'm at home right now. You can see my background. There is a park at my home.
Okay. Okay. So what's
Yeah.
the wrong? What's the wrong? What is the problem in your internet that it is not working properly?
We have not taken subscription of Wi-Fi. We have Wi-Fi at our
Okay.
home, but last for the 2 days we have not taken subscription. Like we don't have any kind of subscription. So I am making do with my internet only, with my mobile
And
data. So sometime
okay.
it
And how
happens
do
when
you?
that.
Okay. And how do you manage that you are taking some English conversation videos daily basis, but you don't have internet? So how do you manage?
Yeah, actually, earlier we had before 2 days, like we had Wi-Fi connection. But actually,
Okay.
the thing is that we are moving to Jammu Kashmir. Maybe by
Okay.
Monday
Okay.
or by Tuesday we will be in Jammu Kashmir. So that's the reason we did not take subscription because there is no use of taking subscription if you are living that place, right? So that's the
Yeah,
reason we
that's
did not
good
take
thing.
subscription. Yeah.
Yeah, that's good thing. I thought that when you said me that I don't have subscription on Wi-Fi, that
Yes,
I thought that there
exactly.
is some problem. Yes. So
Okay,
what's your
so
plan? Man?
Nardeen Khan, I can see your
Yes,
name on
yes.
the screen. It's Nardeen or something else. Nardeen Khan,
Yeah,
right?
it calls Noordin Khan.
Noordin Khan.
That pro
Okay, okay.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
I
So
think I
I want
haven't
you to
told you.
give me a brief introduction of yours as we are meeting for the very first time. So it is really nice.
Yeah, it's very, very mandatory. If I talk about me, as you know, my name is Noordin Khan. And if I talk about my qualification, I have passed my 12. Nowadays, I'm pursuing BA. I took admission in February, so that is my first semester. If I talk about my goal, I want to be a defense person, and I like to read some book and to play and to listen music and to have some conversation videos. So that's all about myself. If you want to ask anything, so you may ask.
Yeah, so nice to know about you. Now, let me introduce myself to you a little bit so that you can also know more about me. So, well, my name is
Yes.
Pooja. I belong to Haryana, and I'm a full-time homemaker, blessed with two sons. If it comes to my education qualification, so I have done my master's in English literature. Apart from that, I have done B.Ed as well. If it comes to my hobbies, I love cooking, traveling, playing badminton, and I love supporting people in order to improve their communication skills. And I am also content creator. I have been running my YouTube channel last for the I think over 4 months, where I upload English related content. Mostly I prefer to create solo videos. That's the reason, I'm not engaged that much in making collaboration videos with other person. Otherwise, a lot of requests are in pending. A lot of people are approaching me these days, and they want to make collaboration videos, but I'm not that much interested. But sometimes, on the behest of my husband, I make collaboration videos because he wants me to create like such kind of videos where I interact with some other YouTubers. So
Yes.
that's the reason I'm making collaboration video right now on the behest of him.
Okay, as you said that you want to help to people who are beginner who wants to learn English. So how do you help them? Like, have you made any group there where they can practice with you, or do you help them only by your YouTube
Yeah,
channel?
I have.
Just go ahead.
Yeah, I have created one group on WhatsApp, right? And yes, I create my video. And by creating my video, I help people to understand how they can practice at sitting home in the case if they don't have any kind of conducive environment and they want to, become fluent in English. So, how they can practice at sitting home with the things around them and by talking to themselves, by inculcating or cooperating the habit of self talking in their daily routine. So, this is how I help people.
That is good thing. I also made a group, but earlier I was unable to practice with them because I.
Yes, yes. So I have
Yes,
already
yes,
told you
yes.
how I help people in order to improve their communication skills by creating video because this is the only alternate I have with which I can help people, right?
Yes, yes. Okay, tell me something about your YouTube channel. When did you start it, and how long have you been learning English?
Actually, if it comes to my YouTube channel, so I started it 4 months ago, I think. I'm not make sure like that I started it 4 months ago or 5 months ago, but it's been around four and
Okay,
5 months since I started running my
okay.
YouTube channel. And as far as my whole English journey is concerned, so I started it in the month of May 2024. So you can say it
Okay.
is going to be completely 2 years.
Yeah, but I started my English journey when I was in my 12th class. At that time, I took subscription in a coaching center, so I was going there earlier. But I was Hindi medium student, that's why I had to face lots of problem, you can say, because I couldn't learn some vocabulary and as well as some grammar, as well as some practicing, because I didn't have any partner whom I can practice. So when I started it, at that time I was unable to understand properly when to speak. Then I worked my lots of vocabulary, you can say, and I learned all of them from the through the chat GPT and through the YouTube. Then I became to able to understand it properly. Then I took subscription on English Yari. Then I worked a lot of work there. Then I talked with many people. I took subscription only I had paid only 2000 rupees for that. I had 11 session there. Then I practiced a lot. Then I one day I thought that I should create a YouTube channel. Then I created it. Then I used to upload some English conversation videos and as well as some grammar topic videos as well as some solo videos you can say. Then I am right now. Now I can understand
Okay.
easily. Yes.
Okay, so even I have been a student of Hindi medium. I was not having any kind of conducive environment when I started my journey. So I started it from scratch, and I did not have any kind of idea even about the basics of grammar. So it was completely new for me, whatever I learned in this journey. Everything was new for me. But yes, little bit I had vocabulary, but a lot of vocabulary I learned through this journey. And I worked on grammar, and then I started framing sentences, small small sentences which are commonly used in our daily life. And there I started my journey with speaking, with Ace Fluency, with my CV application. So this is how I started my journey. But
Yeah,
yes,
I have
in my
also.
case, yeah, in my case, I never took any kind of online, offline classes to learn this language. Whatever I have learned just by watching recorded session on YouTube channel. So it is my
Yeah,
own efforts, my own dedication, and it has
the
been completely like I started my journey alone, and even now I am continuing my journey alone only. I have never taken any kind of classes from any institute.
yeah, that reason was that because you had knowledge about that, you can practice with people. Then because I was Hindi medium student as well as I was, you can say, very younger in my 12th class, so that's why I didn't have any idea that how to start it and how can I become fluent in that. That's why I thought that I should take a subscription in a coaching center. Then I went there.
Yeah. So now you are able to speak well enough, like you are speaking well enough. You are able to frame sentences grammatically correct. Whatever sentences you are framing in appropriate way, right? So you
Yeah,
are
because
speaking
I
well enough.
yeah, because I have learned to you can say lots of grammar. That's why. And when I was in my 12th class at that time, I learned up to 12th grammar. I had joined a coaching center for grammar as well as for learning spoken English.
Okay.
Yeah,
And you have also taken subscription from the Mentor of English, Gary, which is very
yeah,
high platform where a
yeah.
lot
It's
of
very
people are running after. Yeah,
yeah.
exactly.
It's very expensive. If you want to take subscription,
It's
you
very
would have to.
expensive.
Yeah,
Yeah. For 11 classes, how much did you pay
I had to pay 2,000 rupees for that.
for 11 classes?
Yes, yes. And one class
Okay.
duration was only 25 minutes something. But I missed my one class. Then
Okay.
yeah, because I had to work in farm. Then my mother was saying that you should work with us because there were some labor who are working with us. So my mother said that you should not go somewhere. Then I thought that today I have to miss my session. Then I missed.
Okay, even right now, I can hear the sound of God
Yeah, you can say there
in
are
your
some goat.
background.
Yeah, there are some goat.
Yes, yes.
They are speaking. They are asking some grass. So that's why they are
So they
speaking.
are your God or they are someone else's God?
No, they have our own goat.
Okay, okay. So are you from rural background?
Yes, yes. Not rural. Yes, yes. I'm from rural. I live in a village.
Okay,
That's
that's
why
fine. Still, yeah. Still, you are
we are.
doing really good job. You are learning English. You are able to speak in English. You are running your YouTube channel. So how many of the member at your home knows how to speak in English besides you?
No, only am I. Only I am.
Hmm.
No one
And
can
in your
speak. No one
neighbor,
can understand. What?
in your neighbor?
In my neighbor, there is a person who belongs to, you can say, in my neighbor. So he can speak and he can
Okay.
understand easily. He's a YouTuber. He uploads some other videos like how to grow skin and this type of videos he makes.
So you must be talking to him in English sometimes.
No, I don't talk to him. I ask to related to some, you can say, some editing. Like if I want to edit some videos, so I can tell him. Then he would tell me. Then you should download this
Yes, you,
application. You can.
you have an English, you have your you have an English partner in your neighborhood. So you have a good opportunity. There you can speak in English in real life. You can practice in real time with him.
No, I cannot. I cannot talk him because he is my you can say my brother's friend. So that's why he is busy with him. As you know, we cannot speak
Okay.
with our relatives like our family members. So somewhere we have fear that if we are wrong, so they will
Exactly.
scold us.
Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah, that is the problem most of the people are facing. They cannot, speak in real life with the people around them who knows how to speak in English.
yes,
Yeah, this
yes.
is reality. Actually.
We
Yeah,
thought
we
that
want to be.
yeah, we think that if
Yeah,
we speak with them, so if we are committing mistakes, so they would make fun. They would say that you are unable to speak
but this
properly,
is
so
our
why are you
mentality,
practicing?
right? But in reality,
Yes,
it
yes.
doesn't happen. If you start speaking in English, nobody is going to come to you to make fun of you. Nobody is going to come to you to judge you. How are you
No,
speaking? You
I
are
have.
making mistakes or not?
Yeah, I have
Yeah.
faced this type of problem. That's why I'm saying to you when I started it, at that time I joined a coaching center. So one person was saying that, what were you saying? I couldn't understand properly because I started that. And he was saying, he was laughing at me that I thought that I would be fluent in. Then,
So let laugh. What do you lose? If people laugh at you, so what do you lose? You are losing nothing. People are losing themselves,
yeah,
right? So we should not be, we should not be worried about people, what they are thinking about you. You should be worried about yourself, what you are doing in your life. That is valuable or not for you.
you
That is
are
going to
right.
help
But
you in your future or not.
yeah, you are right. But somewhere we think that we should do like this way. We should remove that. We
Yeah,
should
yeah.
not talk with
Yeah.
that people because
In
there are
such
lots.
area, it is obvious to think like that because we are
Yeah,
living in such society where people like definitely make fun of you no matter you are doing some good things in your life, but they will try to pull your leg behind.
yeah, in villages areas, people make fun if you are doing something like suppose you are making some vlog videos and you are making some videos by the camera. So if people are saying to you that people would make fun on you, then people would say you something unnecessary things. I have seen it when day before yesterday I was going on at the station that I we were almost 5 to 6 people at that time. Then four students were laughing to some people. They were making some vlog, dancing vlog. Then they were saying that
Okay.
he is a YouTuber, he would become a YouTuber. Then this type of question they were saying that to him that
Yeah. It happens. It happens with everyone.
yes,
Yeah. So, okay, Nurdin, I think that's all for the day. That's enough for the day. Now we
okay,
should
yes,
wrap up the conversation.
okay, yeah,
So,
I
thank you
was
so
very
much
glad
for,
to.
thank you so much for giving your precious time.
I
And it
also
was
want
really
to
great
thank you that.
conversation with you. Yeah.
Yeah, before joining this session, my hand was shaking that how would I perform there?
Yeah, your performance was really nice. It was praiseworthy. So you don't think about your performance. You are a great speaker, and you should consider yourself as a good exposer of English language. Because
Yeah,
from my perspective, as I can observe, you are a good exposer of English language.
yeah, thank you for saying me that.